Yeah.
Hey you guys, so today I'm showing you how to make a YouTube banner using the Phonto app. And so right now I'm just opening up the Phonto app and showing you guys what settings to put it on to get the YouTube banner size. I'm just showing y'all that real quick, and now I'm going into my pictures just to see which pictures that I want to use for my banner. And so I selected one, and now I'm just measuring it out because initially I just wanted like all the pictures kind of like this lined up together, and then I was just gonna like fade them out and then right over top of it. But as you'll see later on in the video, I decided that I wanted to erase the backgrounds on the pictures and put them up that way. Okay, so now it's pretty much where I decided to go ahead and erase the backgrounds. So I'm going to my erase app and I'm picking the pictures out that I want to erase the backgrounds on. And now you'll just see me erase, the background pretty much. Okay, so now I'm going back to the Phonto app, and now I'm getting ready to make my banner. I'm putting my measurements in, which is 2650 and 423, and that's going to give you the size of a regular YouTube banner. And now with those pictures that I just erased the background on, I'm going to go ahead and like size them up, get them exactly in position where I want them, and I'm gonna do, I think it's 6 pictures altogether, so I'm gonna do 6 pictures all the way across the banner, and then I'm gonna fade them out so that they'll be faded in the background. Okay, so now I have those 6 pictures exactly where I want them. So now I'm going back into my pictures, and I'm adding the picture that I want, like in the forefront, like the picture that's gonna stand out. And I chose this picture. I just think it's like a cute, simple, I feel like I look sweet in it, like a sweet little angel face or something. So that's why I chose this picture. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the letters, and then the way I do that is still through the Phonto app. Once you click on add photo, you'll see a letter. Like, you can choose how you want the picture to come up, like square, star, or whatever, and it'll be letters. So I selected the letters, and I'm choosing which pictures I want in each letter, and then I'm just lining them up in a row until I spell out Ebonique. Okay, so I finished spelling out my name, and now I'm going to go ahead and add text, and I'm just going to add the second part of my name, which is Luxe. So I'm just going to scroll through until I come across whichever font that I want, which I'm not sure which one I picked, but I just picked one that I like. And now I'm going in and I'm fixing the color of the stroke, and I want it like this pink color. It's like a light pink. It's the color in my logo, and that's just what I wanted the letters to be outlined in. And now I'm just positioning my name to where I wanted it to make it look the way I want. I guess I wanted it to kind of like fall below my name a little bit. So that's what you see me doing here, just positioning it to wherever I want it at. Okay, so now I'm just adding my beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs, because I think that's good when you have that listed in your YouTube banner, so people know, like, if they come on your channel, they know what they're, like, getting themselves into, like, if it's something that they want to watch, if they even interested in it. So, and on my banners, I make sure I list that. Okay, so now I'll just be adding in social media logos so that when people come on my channel, they'll know that they can find me on other sources of social media, like Facebook and Instagram. And so, that's always good to know. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my phone, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished product. I think it's really cute and it's really simple. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me out so much.